Hey everyone, have you ever been traveling abroad and wished you could easily manage your investments? Or maybe you're an expat living in Europe and looking for a convenient way to invest. Well, today we're diving deep into the question, can I use Wealthsimple in Europe? Wealthsimple, with its user-friendly interface and automated investing features, has gained immense popularity in North America. But what about our friends across the pond? Is this investment platform accessible to European investors? Let's find out. The short answer is, it's complicated. While Wealthsimple itself doesn't have a direct presence in most European countries, there are some nuances to consider. Firstly, Wealthsimple's core services, like automated investing through their smart advisor, are primarily designed for the North American market. This means that if you're a European resident, you might encounter restrictions or limitations when trying to open and use a Wealthsimple account. However, there are a few potential workarounds. Wealthsimple Trade. This is Wealthsimple's commission-free stock trading platform. While its availability in Europe might be limited, it's worth checking if you can access it based on your location. Wealthsimple Crypto. This platform for cryptocurrency trading might have broader accessibility in Europe. Again, it's crucial to verify your eligibility before proceeding. Using a VPN, some users have reported success in accessing certain Wealthsimple features by using a virtual private network, VPN, to appear as if they are located in North America. However, this method may have legal and security implications, so proceed with caution. Before you even consider using Wealthsimple in Europe, it's vital to check local regulations. Investment rules and regulations vary significantly across European countries. Ensure that using a foreign investment platform like Wealthsimple complies with the laws in your specific country of residence. Consider tax implications. Investing through a foreign platform can have tax implications. Consult with a qualified tax advisor to understand how your investments will be taxed in both your country of residence and your country of citizenship. Explore local alternatives. Europe boasts a diverse range of investment platforms and robo-advisors. Research local options that may be better suited to your needs and circumstances. In conclusion, while Wealthsimple's core services might not be readily available to most European investors, there are some avenues to explore, such as Wealthsimple Trade and Wealthsimple Crypto. However, it's crucial to exercise caution and carefully consider the legal and financial implications before proceeding. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.